Reported commands are how we change direct orders into indirect speech. When someone gives a command like sit down, we report it as he told me to sit down. This transformation changes the structure from imperative to infinitive form using to. The key is replacing the direct quotation with a reporting verb followed by the infinitive. Look at this basic example. Direct speech says sit down ! He said. In reported speech, this becomes he told me to sit down. Notice how the quotation marks disappear and the command turns into to sit down. The reporting verb tell introduces the person being spoken to and the action as an infinitive. Here's another example with close the door ! She said. This reports as she told me to close the door. The pattern stays the same. Direct imperative commands always become to plus base verb in reported form. The subject changes based on who gave the original command. Negative commands follow a clear pattern too. Don't run ! He said becomes he told me not to run. The word not goes before to plus the base verb. This structure applies to all negative imperatives in reported speech. For longer negative commands like don't eat too much sugar ! She said, it reports as she told me not to eat too much sugar. The entire verb phrase after not to remains the same. Keep the full meaning but restructure with not to infinitive. Requests use slightly different reporting verbs. Please help me ! She said, becomes she asked me to help her. Notice asked replaces told because it's a polite request. The structure remains to plus infinitive, but the verb changes to match politeness. Negative requests follow the same pattern. Please don't be late ! He said becomes he asked me not to be late. Use asked for polite negatives too. Not to plus infinitive completes the transformation from direct request to reported speech. Phrasal verbs work the same way. Stop making noise ! He said becomes he told me to stop making noise. Multi-word verbs stay intact after to. The reporting structure handles all command types consistently using infinitive form.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.